In a sunlit classroom, Mrs. Rivera stood at the board, her voice calm yet passionate. The students listened intently as she explained a math problem. Her chalk moved swiftly, drawing numbers and diagrams. "Learning is the key to the world," she said, smiling.
If you're looking for a way to create a cartoon character, to create a cartoon video, or to make a sticky video, this video is for you. You're welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sticky animation video. If this is what you want to see and this is what you want to know, please don't wait to stay to the end of this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video for others to see. Let's dive into the video. First, I'm going to go to ChatGPT. You're going to go to ChatGPT, open your Google, open new tab, and in Google search, you type chats, take this one, then take the first one. So I open ChatGPT and I type what I want ChatGPT to generate for me, which is this one. It's already generated. So I'm going to copy it. Copy, then come to resemble.ai, open another tab, type resemble.ai, enter. This resemble.ai is to enable me to generate my audio. I've already made my test with ChatGPT, so I want to make my audio with resemble.ai, and I'm going to sign in with my Google. Tell it to continue with Google. Then first, you have to open your resemble.ai, then sign in. If you're coming back for the first time, you have to sign up, but I have account already. I just logged in. Then click on this Go Legacy Editor. Then when it's open for you, this is the interface. Here you see type text. Here you place the text that you type here, then change the audio, change the voice to any other type of the voice that you want. These are a lot of voice that you can use, the tone that you can use in generating your audio. They have a lot here, but I'm going to choose this one. Then let's allow it to generate. It's coming. Then tell it to generate all, and let's wait for it. So as it is coming, okay, it's already done. Then I'm going to come to this place. You check, you will see this is share this blog, copy the link. This is download, duplicate, generate any of them multiple times. Then view the code on how this thing is being wrote to be able to be interpreted in this place. Then the add speaker.
In a sunlit classroom, Mrs. Rivera.
If I want to delete it, so I want to download it, I'm going to click on download. Look at it here on top of this. Here, this is where it's downloading. It is done. That's finished downloading, as you can see it here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to open another tab, then open another tab, go to my Google search and type this. Look at it here. I'm taking this one, Adobe Express Animate Your Voice. This is what I'm taking. Then I'm also going to choose this first one, Animate Your Audio for free. Then I'm waiting for it to open. So this is it here. I'm going to click on start now. Please do it to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video for others to see. Please give this video a like. Support your girl. Please give this video a like. So it has opened, and here you come to. So here I have the opportunity when this place open. Click. This is character. You click on this is category, which is all. You have an opportunity to choose any of these characters here. You have the opportunity to choose any of these images here to use it on your cartoon. Remember, we are doing a sticky animation video. So I'm going to open this place and take on custom character, which I'm going to go down and look for my sticky character. Then the legs is not showing. Then what I will do is to reduce it so that everything in his body can show. Okay, then place it very well. Place it in the center. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to come up here. You have character, which we have already used, and here is background. The opportunity for me to change any of the background that I want. Opportunity for me to change any of the background, but because it's talking about students, it's talking about education, so I'm going to choose background that is related to a teacher, a background that is related to students. So what I'm going to do is to go back here and choose this classroom. This is the classroom. If I don't like the background, I can as well look for other background here. This is bedroom background, spring sunrise, and a lot more of background that is here. So you choose background according to what you are designing. This is fine. Wow, this is beautiful, but this is not what I want to do. You choose background according to what you are designing. Even this one. Oh, no dog sports. It's so fine. You choose background according to what you are designing, but because I'm talking about a teacher, I can as well choose this because this is also a board and related to school. But I like this. I'm going to choose this one. Then come to size. In size is already on YouTube. That means what I'm doing is YouTube video. So it's already on YouTube size. If I want it in short, I can as well make it in short. But I want it on 16:9 size. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come here. The next thing I'm going to do now, after I have choose size, remember, you can as well reset it if it is Instagram post you want to make. You can as well resize them. If it is any of these, Facebook, you can as well choose any one of them that you like. They are all here. All the social media, I think they are all here. Okay, they are all here. See this TikTok, they are all here. You can as well use any of them. But in the course of this video, we are doing YouTube, and we are using landscape, which is a size 16:9. So if I want to copy the link of this setting, I can as well do that here. So now I want to bring the audio that I downloaded. I go to browser. I come to this place, browse, open, come to my download. This is the audio, then open it. Wait for it to load.
In a sunlit classroom, Mrs. Rivera stood at the board, her voice calm yet.
So it has finished downloading. Let's play it and see.
In a sunlit classroom, Mrs. Rivera stood at the board, her voice calm yet passionate. The students listened intently as she explained a math problem. Her chalk moved swiftly, drawing numbers and diagrams. Learning is the key to the world, she said, smiling.
So you can now download it here. Click on download. So it will tell you to go to Adobe Express if you have not signed in. Then you have to click here and sign in with Adobe Express, and you are good to go. If you get value, if you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe, share this video, and see you in my next. Bye.